Okay. All right. No, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Relax. Look to see your friends. Look who's there.
Look who it is.
Look who's got a GoPro on him.
Whoa. Hello. Buddy. You just came to say hi, is that it?
How's it going, man?
Look. It's your turn.
You know the drill. Okay. Down, down.
So you probably want to go. I'll stop in the counseling center. This is probably keeping that video on them because of all the people that
Sit.
read them.
Shake. Kiss. Actually, don't kiss me right now.
You have to do this.
Uh-oh. Wait, what happened is... Wait.
You got Staples?
Aw.
It's Guinness.
I thought this was... He got big.
I know you thought it was
Oh
Finley.
my gosh. I did. He got so much bigger, like, in the last, like, couple weeks. Hi. That's a good boy.
I know. Guinness. Guinness, look who's here.
Guess, look over there.
Look who's here. Here's Charles. There he is.
I'm Ian, by the way, guys.
Oh, Ian.
I know Charles. I think we met once before.
Oh.
I'm Ron.
We had masks.
Yeah.
He's a good boy.
We were outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a walkout, I think.
Okay. All right, you ready?
How are things going?
Do you want to
Good,
me to
good.
redo it or
No,
can you turn it on?
keep going.
Okay. Oh, okay. Awesome.
Dog.
Did you? Well, I need them for Decca. Oh, okay. Oh, no, talk about my bag. I know.
Oh, he doesn't want to.
Oh, no, there's people. I'm so sorry. No, I'm out. Hi, buddy.
It is one on the worst.
I'm letting Brandon work in the store. Come on, you going into your spot? Yes. You going in? Come on, hold on. You have to take your time.
Well, hello.
Oh, he's going right for Edith. Hi, baby. Hi, you. What are you doing? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. It's so good to see you. Hi, baby. Oh, thank you. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Oh, he's being filmed. You're on film too, because he's got a GoPro on him. Oh my goodness! Who's your other one? Hi there. Hi there, puppy baby.
Gotta fix the camera. It's too
Where's
far.
Miss Edith? Where's Miss Edith over there?
Okay.
Hi there. Hi.
Oh my goodness, you are my baby.
How are you doing
What do you have to do?
today? Sit, sit. And we're doing this very gently. Sit.
Edith.
Good dog. There you go.
Gotta go.
What a
Yeah, he's got a
sweetheart.
GoPro. We're filming.
All right. The
I'm-
life in
I'm the
times
new
of
communications coordinator for the district, so we're gonna do a little video thing on the dogs.
Amazing. Hi, I'm Kathleen. I'm one of the
Oh, we're getting greedy now. Getting greedy.
Yeah.
You're just
Mason, you can use Miss Afont's room.
I think I'd rather use this thing.
This one, and you're welcome.
Goodness.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you
this
go.
boy.
Oh.
He's like,
Okay.
Right over
I'll
here.
just take one.
Oh, wait, she's got one for you. Oh, I know, you smelled it. You smelled it. Can I have hugs?
Oh,
Hugs? Guinness. Hugs?
counselor of the day table.
Hugs.
But she's
Hugs.
told me that if you
No, can I get
come,
hugs? Is this hugs? Is this hugs?
you're welcome.
Well, I've already got
Can I get a huggies? Huggies. Oh, okay. I can't. I can't say no to you.
Here.
No, I can't.
I got
Thank
one.
you. Thank you,
I got
Bubby.
one.
Look over here.
Which hand? Which hand? Which one?
The wick.
No. No. Hey!
I gave you
you
one.
totally. Hey!
But did I
what
have to
is
work
this?
hard for
Can you
this?
sit? And you can be nice, gentle. Nice. Thank you. Oh, your mouth is all wet.
His bone is so much smaller.
I know.
It's amazing what surgery will do for a puppy. Yes, it is, my
It's
friend.
really nice.
Yes, it is, my friend. Go say hi. Go say hi.
Nice.
What's happening
Can I
today?
just say, him running into my office was like the best thing that's happened to me all day.
Here's that we gotta let's see.
Oh my gosh. It was like, and then I put the music in my head like, oh.
Good dog.
This is why we come down here.
Love you, Guinness.
Are you ready? He doesn't want to leave Edith. Edith is, Edith, come here. Right over here. My babies are here. Oh my gosh, you have a camera on. That's creepy. I'm sorry.
It's recording.
Oh, it is. Oh, sorry.
That's why it's here.
And I see you.
We're gonna do a little video feature for on the dogs.
But wait, you gotta get it where he won't leave.
We have to get it where
I
you
gotta
won't
edit
leave
it.
Miss
A
Edith.
week or two
Oh, there
away.
you go.
Oh,
That's for
We've
you.
done one so
Oh,
far.
can you sit for a
Cool.
sec, baby? Oh, good boy.
We're gonna put it on
You know
YouTube
what?
and we'll
Okay.
put it on Facebook
You know
and we'll put it
what?
on.
We
parts
need
of
to
it on
show
Twitter.
how you don't like to leave Miss Edith.
Oh,
We
we'll
need
link
to
to it
show
off
how
our
you
website
don't
on
like to
YouTube.
leave Miss
Our
Edith.
site
But
will
that's your
have
brother.
Susie, he ran in here, I let him go. I thought he'd go to Edith, but he ran
He went to right. Well, he wants his bottom. Well, he also wants his bottom scratched, don't you? You want your bottom scratched from Miss
About your
Kathleen.
bottom on camera.
Well, no, he likes. Well, what do you call it? It's a hip. He likes his hip massage from
It's
Kathleen.
Finley that comes
Here.
straight.
Yes, that's right. Finley knows.
Yes, Finley sits and he won't leave. Will he? Yeah, he won't leave. Oh, see, now he hears your voice. He knows. Don't you, baby? Don't you? Okay, you go see Miss Edith.
Good.
I don't have any more. I know. I'm sorry.
You don't want to leave now.
I don't have any more. Oh, there you go.
Sit.
Yes, you love me. Go. Okay, now he's gonna go get his treat.
Here, I'll probably-
Okay, begging again. Are we? Are we begging again? Okay. One more. Sit, sit, sit. Good dog. Okay.
One more.
One last one.
So you should,
Sit.
you should do
Good
something
dog.
with Finley when he comes in and film that. It's so funny.
Last one. Be nice. Good.
See, you make him do that. I just let him jump and then give him what he wants.
Okay, buddy. That's it.
That's it.
You've
You
had
really-
enough.
You should
Had
get the
breakfast,
picture.
lunch,
You've
and
had
dinner.
enough.
You should have Finn come in here because Finley